Displaced families in the Middle East are trapped in conflict zones, unable to escape, unable to seek refuge in their own homes. They have been left deprived of sustenance and safety. Blockades and forced migrations make it difficult for them to source water for daily consumption. Together with Al-Khair Foundation, support these defenseless people in accessing clean and safe water for themselves and their families. Donate today to build better lives tomorrow on 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.